friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to send secure email attachment in Outlook. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your Outlook and click on new email, and here you have to put the recipient email address and keep the subject here, and you can attach file from here. Okay, the email body has been ready, and now let's see how to secure the email. So first of all, you have to click on this little more icon here, and now click on security settings and encrypt message contents and attachment. All you have to need, just check this option. Okay, close, and now you can send the email, and the email will be totally secured. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.